Here at Cross Green in Leeds, the Recycling and Energy Recovery Facility is handling all of the city's black bin waste and ensuring no household waste goes to landfill. This state-of-the-art facility is taking recyclables from the waste before it is burned to create energy. This means the impact on the environment is actually reduced. It is saving the council £7 million each year in landfill charges and creating a further income from the sale of energy recovered from the waste. Urban populations produce high amounts of household and commercial waste, which creates the challenge of how to manage and dispose of it. In the UK, 12% of waste comes from households, 18% is commercial and industrial waste, and 62% of waste is from construction, demolition and excavation. While some commercial waste is recycled, unfortunately the majority is still sent to landfill. The government has set a target of 50% of household waste being recycled, and currently it is about 45%. Leeds households produce over 300,000 tonnes of waste each year. Residents in the city are provided with a black wheelie bin for general waste and a green one for recyclables, and these are collected fortnightly. Residents with gardens receive a brown bin for green waste, which is also collected fortnightly for most of the year. The contents of green wheelie bins are taken to private companies that have contracts with the council to process the recyclable waste. One of the facilities in Leeds processes 40,000 tonnes by hand and machine, and currently 75% of the waste is recycled effectively. Unfortunately, some of the waste is contaminated, or it isn't possible to recycle it. In this instance, the waste is passed on to companies in the UK and Europe for further disposal. Over 160,000 tonnes of black wheelie bin waste each year is taken to the Energy Recovery Facility at Cross Green. Machines remove roughly 10% of the waste in recyclables before the remaining waste is burnt in carefully controlled conditions. The heat from the combustion process is used to turn water into steam. The steam then powers a turbine to generate around 13 megawatts of electricity for export to the national grid. This is enough to power in the region of 22,000 homes. The facility aims to be as friendly to the environment as possible. All water used in the process is recycled. The ash that comes out at the end of the processes are recycled into construction aggregates, which replace quarried material in the production of asphalt and cement. The gases from the boiler are extensively cleaned. This includes neutralising any acid gases, removing pollutants and capturing fine particles with fabric filters. The gas treatment residues are kept in enclosed storage on site and then disposed of safely at a licensed facility. In the future, the Recycling and Energy Recovery Facility has the flexibility to generate thermal energy, which could be used to heat buildings and offices locally. The Recycling and Energy Recovery Facility is a big advance on what used to happen to the city's waste, but there is still more improvement to be made. And don't forget, it would be better if the waste wasn't created in the first place.